Welcome to the High Access channel where excitement and big wins await. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of the High Access spinner where fortunes are just a spin away. Are you feeling lucky today? We've designed a game that's bound to keep you on the edge of your seat. With every spin, you have a chance to win an incredible $500. That's right, folks. $500 could be yours with a single spin of the High Access spinner. But what sets our spinner apart? It's not just about the prize, it's about the sheer adrenaline rush of the game. We've crafted this experience to be fast paced, high energy, and packed with surprises. You won't want to miss a single moment. In this video, we'll guide you through the rules and mechanics of the high access spinner. We'll show you how it works, how to maximize your chances of winning big, and we'll even share some insider tips and strategies. Whether you're a seasoned spinner or a newcomer, there's something here for everyone. So, gather round, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of the high access spinner. Who knows? You might just be the next lucky winner of $500. Get ready to spin your way to success right here on the High Access channel. Unlock the secret to earning $500 in free PayPal money. Welcome to the ultimate guide that's about to change the way you think about making money online. If you've ever dreamt of boosting your PayPal account with a whopping $500, you're in the right place. Get ready to uncover the secret to earning free PayPal money like never before. In today's fast paced digital world, opportunities are endless, and we're here to show you how to seize them. Say goodbye to tedious surveys, time consuming tasks, and unreliable money making methods. Our step by step strategy is about to revolutionize your financial game. Step 1: The foundation of earning. The journey begins with a solid foundation. We'll walk you through the fundamental principles of earning free PayPal money. From understanding the power of online platforms to leveraging your skills and resources, this step sets the stage for your success. Step 2: The PayPal Power Moves. In this step, we unveil the PayPal Power Moves that few know about. Learn how to navigate the platform, maximize your earnings, and discover the hidden gems that can quickly boost your account balance. Step 3: The $500 Blueprint. Ready to dive into the blueprint? We've got a carefully crafted plan that can lead you to that magical $500 mark. We'll share strategies, tips, and real life examples that will inspire and empower you to achieve your financial goals. Step 4: Real Success Stories. Need some motivation? You'll hear from real people who have followed our blueprint and achieved their dreams of earning $500 in free PayPal money. Their success stories will inspire you to take action and join the ranks of confident earners. Step 5: Action and Implementation. It's time to put theory into practice. We'll guide you through actionable steps, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to start earning right away. No more waiting around. You'll be on your way to that $500 in no time. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to earning $500 in free PayPal money? Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. It's time to turn your dreams into reality and take control of your financial future. Imagine spinning your way to $500 in free PayPal money. Have you ever imagined spinning a game bot and instantly earning $500 in free PayPal money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your excitement because today, we're about to unveil something truly incredible. I'll show you a game changing new bot that can make this thrilling dream a reality. Picture this: you're sitting comfortably, ready to embark on a gaming adventure like no other. But here's the kicker: it's not just about the thrill of the game, it's about winning real money, cold hard cash straight into your PayPal account. How cool is that? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of the High Access Spinner, a game bot that has taken the online gaming community by storm. This isn't your average game. It's a high stakes, high reward experience designed to keep you on the edge of your seat. And the best part, with every spin, you have a shot at winning a jaw dropping $500 in free PayPal money. So, how does it work? What makes the high access spinner so unique? Stick around because I'm about to reveal all the secrets, strategies, and insider tips to help you maximize your chances of walking away with that sweet $500 prize. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just looking for an exciting way to earn some extra cash, this is the game for you. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the inner workings of this game bot and show you how to harness its potential to turn your gaming sessions into lucrative PayPal payouts. It's time to level up your gaming experience and financial goals simultaneously. Without further ado, let's jump right into the mesmerizing world of the high access spinner and explore how you can spin your way to $500 in free PayPal money. Buckle up, gamers, because this is a ride you won't want to miss. Cooking Slots Run Restaurant. Introducing Cooking Slots Run Restaurant, a game that's about to turn your gaming world upside down. Don't be fooled by the name. This game is the opposite of what it suggests. You won't need culinary skills, a bustling restaurant, or even a chef's hat. Instead, all you need is your enthusiasm and a desire to spin your way to victory. At first glance, Cooking Slots Run Restaurant may sound like a cooking simulation game, but it's far from it. It's a thrilling and innovative twist on the traditional slot machine experience. Instead of lining up fruit symbols, you'll be spinning the reels to unlock incredible prizes and rewards. What sets this game apart is its captivating fusion of the beloved slot machine mechanics with a restaurant themed twist. The graphics are stunning, featuring a vibrant and bustling restaurant backdrop that adds an extra layer of excitement to your gaming sessions. The gameplay is straightforward yet addictively entertaining. Just tap to spin the bot and watch the reels come to life. As they spin, you'll be eagerly anticipating the moment they stop to reveal your winnings. The more you play, the more chances you have to win. But here's the real kicker. Cooking Slots Run Restaurant offers fantastic opportunities to win real-world rewards, including PayPal Cash. It's not just about virtual coins. You can actually cash out your winnings and see money appear in your PayPal account. Imagine the thrill of hitting that winning combination and seeing your PayPal balance grow. It's like having your very own slot machine in the heart of a bustling restaurant, and you're the lucky customer walking away with a hefty bill in your favor. So, if you're looking for an engaging and unique gaming experience that offers the chance to win real money without the need for cooking or managing a restaurant, Cooking Slots Run Restaurant is the game for you. Get ready to spin, win, and savor the flavors of victory in this exciting virtual restaurant. Let's dive in and explore how you can make this game work for you. Up to $500 or more per day. When it comes to Cooking Slots Run Restaurant, the potential for earnings is nothing short of impressive. In fact, with this app, you can earn up to $500 or even more per day, and here's how. Spin and win. The core of this game lies in its spinning feature. Each spin offers you the chance to unlock incredible rewards. While some spins may bring you virtual coins to enhance your in-game experience, others could lead you to the ultimate prize, cold, hard cash deposited directly into your PayPal account. Daily bonuses. Cooking Slots Run Restaurant is designed to keep you coming back for more. Daily bonuses and rewards are up for grabs, providing you with extra spins and opportunities to boost your earnings. The more you play, the more you stand to gain. Achievements and challenges. The game also features achievements and challenges that, when completed, offer substantial rewards. By reaching certain milestones and conquering challenges, you can quickly accumulate PayPal cash. Referral program. Don't keep the secret to yourself. Cooking Slots Run Restaurant offers a referral program that lets you earn even more. Invite your friends and fellow gamers to join, and when they do, you'll receive a share of their earnings. Consistency pays off. Like any endeavor, consistency is key. The more you engage with the game, the higher your potential earnings become. Make it a part of your daily routine, and you'll see your PayPal balance grow steadily. Cash out and repeat. Perhaps the most exciting aspect is the ability to cash out your earnings at any time. When you've reached a satisfactory amount, simply transfer it to your PayPal account and you'll see the real world results of your gaming prowess. Imagine what an extra $500 or more per day could mean for you. Whether you want to treat yourself to something special, save for a future goal, or simply enjoy the thrill of turning your gaming skills into tangible rewards, Cooking Slots Run Restaurant can make it happen. Keep in mind that your earnings may vary based on your gameplay and dedication, but the sky's the limit when it comes to the potential this app offers. So, why wait? Let's dive into the world of Cooking Slots Run Restaurant and start unlocking those earnings today. See it to believe it. I know that when it comes to apps promising earnings, seeing is believing. So, I'm here to provide you with concrete evidence of the earning potential with Cooking Slots Run Restaurant. Payment proof. Here's a screenshot of my PayPal account showing the real money I've earned using this incredible app. As you can see, the earnings aren't just virtual coins. They are actual cash that I've cashed out and transferred straight to my PayPal balance. It's the kind of proof that leaves no room for doubt. But it's not just about me. The Cooking Slots Run Restaurant community is thriving, and members are eager to share their success stories too. Here's a snapshot of a community post from a fellow player. These are just a couple of examples among many success stories within the Cooking Slots Run Restaurant community. It's a place where gamers come together to share tips, strategies, and their excitement about the earnings they have achieved. I encourage you to join our community and be a part of this thriving ecosystem. You can verify the authenticity of these payment proofs and community posts firsthand. It's a space where you can connect with like minded individuals, learn from their experiences, and celebrate your own successes. So, if you've ever doubted the potential of gaming apps to put money in your pocket, it's time to reconsider. Cooking Slots Run Restaurant is changing the game, and the evidence is right here. Let's dive in and explore how you too can start earning real money while enjoying the thrill of gaming. Get started on the right foot. Getting started with Cooking Slots Run Restaurant is a breeze, and I'm here to guide you through the setup process. When you install the app, you'll be one step closer to spinning your way to earnings. Here's how it all works. Installation. Begin by downloading Cooking Slots Run Restaurant from your device's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Unique ID. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. In the top left corner of the app interface, you'll find your unique ID. This ID serves as your digital identity within the game. It's how the app recognizes you and keeps track of your progress. Gold coins. Not only does your unique ID serve as your identification, but it also displays the number of gold coins you've earned. Gold coins are a valuable in game currency that you can use to enhance your gaming experience and increase your chances of winning. The more you play and win, the more gold coins you'll accumulate. Profile customization. You can further personalize your profile by adding a username and avatar. This adds a social dimension to your gaming experience and allows you to connect with other players within the Cooking Slots Run Restaurant community. Start spinning. With your unique ID in place and a growing stash of gold coins, you're ready to start spinning the reels and earning rewards. The more you play, the more chances you have to win big, including the coveted PayPal cash prizes. Daily bonuses and challenges. Don't forget to check in daily for bonuses and take on exciting challenges. These elements not only make your gaming sessions more thrilling, but also help you accumulate gold coins and earnings faster. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, ensuring that you can jump into the action without any hassle. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to mobile gaming, Cooking Slots Run Restaurant offers a smooth and enjoyable setup experience that paves the way for exciting gameplay and the potential to earn real money. So, go ahead, install the app, grab your unique ID, and start spinning your way to success in Cooking Slots Run Restaurant. It's time to embrace the thrill and rewards of this unique gaming experience. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered the excitement, the strategies, and the earning potential of the high access spinner. With every spin, you're one step closer to that exhilarating $500 win. But this journey doesn't end here. The world of high access is constantly evolving with new games, challenges, and opportunities on the horizon. Don't miss out on the next thrilling adventure. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and become part of the high access community. Remember, your dreams of earning big are just a spin away. Whether it's a side hustle or a chance to change your financial future, High Access has your back. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We're excited to have you on this journey with us, and we can't wait to see you in the next High Access video. Until then, keep spinning, keep winning, and keep reaching for those $500 dreams. We'll catch you on the flip side right here on the High Access channel. Goodbye for now, and may your spins be ever in your favor.